Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Learning Experience with A.K. Oberoi, and this is chapter Chemical Reaction and its equation, types of chemical reaction. First is decomposition reaction, combination reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, which are two types: non-redox reaction and redox reaction. What is combination reaction? When two substances are combined to give a simple single product is known as combination reaction. Like example, CO2 plus H2O gives calcium hydroxide. Now decomposition reaction. What is decomposition reaction? A single compound is broken down into two or more products. Let's see the example. A, B are the reactants. If we will break the A and B, it will give the product A plus B. So it shows the decomposition reaction takes place. One more example is H2O gives H2 plus O2. So this is the decomposition reaction, and you can see the cartoon below given here. Types of decomposition reaction: thermal decomposition reaction, photodecomposition reaction, electric decomposition reaction. So these are the three types of decomposition reaction. So now we are going to learn about the photodecomposition reaction. So what is photodecomposition reaction? Can you tell me? Okay, let me tell you. The decomposition reaction caused by the light, means the light is required in this reaction, is called photodecomposition reaction. For example, CaCO2, when it is lighted or heated up, it gives CaO plus CO2, means carbon dioxide. So what is calcium carbonate? Calcium carbonate is a limestone. And what is calcium oxide? Quicklime. So when we will break the limestone, it will give quicklime plus CO2, means when calcium carbonate is heated, it will give quicklime, means CaO plus CO2. Now electric decomposition reaction. Have you heard about the electric decomposition reaction? The electric decomposition reaction means the decomposition reaction caused by the electric, means the electric current takes place in this reaction. It is required, electricity is required in this reaction, is known as decomposition reaction of electrolysis or electric decomposition reaction. For example, if we will break down water, it required electricity to break into H2 plus O2, means hydrogen gas plus oxygen. So if we will break H2O, it will give H2 plus O2. Thermal decomposition reaction. So what is thermal decomposition reaction? The reaction, it is just a decomposition reaction caused by heat. So thermal means here heat, is called thermal decomposition reaction, means the reaction which takes place under the heat is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Calcium carbonate, when it is heated, when the calcium carbonate is heated, it will give calcium oxide plus CO2, means carbon dioxide. So the calcium carbonate is break down into calcium oxide plus CO2 only when it is heated. Double displacement reaction. Two ionic compounds exchange cations. AB plus CD gives AD plus CB. Whoa, it's pretty cool. So friends, what do you think? What is a double displacement reaction? These peoples are thinking what it is. So let me clear all this. See, Uncle Joey and Aunt Mary. And this is Uncle Josh and Aunt Sue. So Uncle Joe is married with Aunt Sue, and Uncle Josh is married with Aunt Mary. So these things happen in double displacement reaction. And another example, when NaCl is reacted with AgF, it gives NaF plus AgCl. It shows that it changed their companions, like we have seen in the example 1. Okay, so now you can give the answer to your teacher, but your friends are crying because you are going to give the answer. They are jealous. Okay, let me clear you. The answer is a reaction where element in different compounds exchange their places, producing two new compounds. Means a reaction whereas the element in the different compounds of element exchange their places. The places are exchanged by the producing two new compounds. Means the two new compounds are formed by changing their places, actual places. Changing their compound exchanges their places. Exchanging of places is known as double displacement reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Gaining of oxygen, loss of hydrogen, loss of electrons, increase in oxidation state. Means oxygen is gained, loss of hydrogen means hydrogen is lost but oxygen is gained. And in reduction, loss of oxygen means oxygen is lost but gaining of hydrogen means gaining of H ions. Oxidizing agent gives oxygen and reducing agent removes oxygen. Like example, CuO reacts with Mg, it gives Cu plus MgO. The redox reaction, it is known as the redox reaction.